Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the clip. Make sure storage and battery are sufficient, and turn on Do Not Disturb so nothing interrupts recording. Next, open TikTok and locate the video you want. Use the built-in screen recorder or a download tool to capture it at the highest frame rate available. Once done, trim the recording to the exact segment you want. Keeping it short reduces battery and memory usage, and export a clean MP4 or MOV file for the next step. Now you convert and polish the file so it behaves like live wallpaper. Import the clip into a converter or editor on your device. For iPhone, export as a live photo. For Android, convert to WebP or a GIF-based live wallpaper format. While editing, crop and resize to match your phone's aspect ratio, reduce bitrate to save space, and mute audio if needed. Make sure to enable seamless looping, then save and preview the result to confirm smooth playback before installing. Finally, install the prepared live photo or file. On iPhone, set the live photo as lock screen wallpaper. On Android, use your launcher or a live wallpaper app to assign it to home or lock screens. If playback stutters or drains battery, reduce resolution or frame rate and test again. Also check for app and OS updates. If the wallpaper won't apply, grant storage and display permissions to the app and reboot your device. This usually resolves lingering permission or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.